The ruling was read by the judges on Wednesday here in Kigali, saying the defendant had an international arrest warrant issued for him, and even though he was not extradited back to the country using official channels, he was brought back nevertheless using a plan that worked out as it should have, as was explained by Bishop Constantine Niyomunjiri in court, a man who was involved in the operation to bring Paul Rusesabagina back to Rwanda to face justice. The accuracy of the narration made by Bishop Niyomunjiri was confirmed by the defendant himself. The court also ruled that Paul Rusesabagina cannot claim to have been kidnapped because records in Dubai show that he transited through the city as a regular passenger with no arrest warrant out for him there, boarding his flight willingly. The court also acknowledged that Paul Rusesabagina thought that he was flying to Bujumbura in Burundi, not Kigali, Rwanda, and that he does not agree with Niyomunjiri's claim of what he was going to do there, with Rusesabagina saying he was going to speak to believers in the bishop's church, and the bishop saying he was in fact going to meet with FLN, MRCD fighters and the authorities of Burundi. The judges noted that no sovereignty of any other country was infringed on, ruling out kidnapping, and that the first government agent the defendant came into contact with was at the Kigali International Airport. The court then looked into whether the means used to bring the accused to justice can be used to throw the case out, and after consultations with legal experts as well as precedents from around the world, agreed that in cases when the methods used to apprehend a suspect accused of such serious crimes are questionable, it does not mean that the suspect cannot be tried. Rather, that the trial proceed and then those responsible for his apprehension answer for the methods used to arrest him, if indeed they warrant such a proceeding. The judges, however, ruled that no laws were broken in the apprehending of Paul Rusesabagina. As for his being initially questioned by investigators without a lawyer present, the judges noted that he chose to do so, meaning again that his rights to legal counsel at the time were not violated. The terrorism trial of Paul Rusesabagina and 20 others will continue on Thursday morning.